And when I find the perfect gel combination, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video is going to be a video that you guys have been asking me about from the day from the day she launched to then the day orders shipped. Y'all have been asking me about Melanin Haircare. As you can hear, probably I am sick. I'm getting better, but I did have a sinus. I'm always having sinus problems, but so I'm a little bit delayed. I received my products on Thursday. Today is now Wednesday. Last night I washed and styled my hair using the Melanin Haircare Twist Elongating Style Cream with a shea butter and natural oils. So I am finally here to give you guys the review that y'all have been literally pestering me for, because I know it's the hot thing out right now. I'm not going to give you guys a huge spiel because I know that you've probably seen a million videos on this product. You guys obviously know who NAPTURAL85 is. If you don't, I mean, I don't tell you. She's probably the first natural hair vlogger that we all saw. Personally, she's the first one that I saw, and then a couple of others at the same time frame, but she's like literally the first person that most of us ran to when we first like went to the whole natural lifestyle. So to see her evolution and this product come out is pretty bomb, obviously, and I'm super happy to see everyone rocking it and supporting it, and it's amazing. So I did purchase the twisting cream, and I purchased a visor because I know that I'll wear that to the gym and all over the place, and twist outs and Lexi hand in hand. I did not buy the oil because I don't really like to buy oils. I don't really use them. I use them actually, but I have so many that I don't really need to buy more because I use so little at a time. I tend to just have a bunch of oils in my house that I just can't get through. But clearly you can see that my hair is done, and I did it using Melanin Haircare, clearly. So let's get into my thoughts, my honest opinion. You guys have been wanting to know the real tea for the 4C girls. So that's what I'm here to give it to y'all, okay? It's early in the morning. I twisted my hair last night, sat under my little dryer cap thing, and we are here to get the review out as soon as I can with all of my sinus problems that I'm battling. So it's supposed to give you long-lasting definition. It has no sulfates, no paraben, no mineral oil, no formaldehydes, and no phthalates. Hey, I can read. The best thing to me about this is that it's 16 ounces. That is freaking dope to me because as someone who twists their hair all the time, I know how much product tends to go into one twist out, and I know that having more product is always good when it comes to conditioner and comes to twisting products. I always need more of both of those. So the jar is actually quite large, and she did say in her video that it was a big size, but seeing it in person is like, whoa, like it really is a chunky jar. Like I don't have any butters that are this size, like none at all. And so for the price point and the size, it actually is really a good deal if you like it and use it regularly. The first few ingredients are water, shea butter, glyceryl stearate, caprylic triglyceride, C-thiourate 20, stearimidopropyl, dimethylamine, stearyl alcohol, cetyl alcohol, glycerol caprylicate, cetyl alcohol, mango seed butter, cocoa seed butter, and the list goes on. So those are the first few ingredients. Now let's get into the texture. It's thick. It's creamy. That's really all I have to say about that. It's thick, it's creamy, and it feels like a twisting butter. It feels thicker than most twisting butters, in my opinion. I've tried so many, so I can feel confident in saying that it does feel thicker than most twisting butters. It reminds me of the Carol's Daughter twisting thing that I just used from the Cocoa collection, the orange and white collection. It reminds me of that thickness. It's not as thick as that one. That one is crazy thick, but it does remind me of that one. It's also giving me vibes of the Mayel pomegranate and honey twisting cream thing. Those type of thickety thickum vibes that I tend to love and appreciate from all of my faves. So what else can I tell you guys? Because I only use this product in this video. So I washed my hair using my favorite shampoo, a favorite shampoo. I did a deep treatment using a favorite deep treatment. My hair was nice and soft and supple and moisturized. Then I went in with a leave-in. So I will mention that because I think it's important to mention. She said to use your favorite leave-in with her product. So since I felt as if I wanted to test out and see how truly moisturizing this butter was, I went in with a light but good and detangleable leave-in, and that would be the KURLS Dynasty leave-in. I use that leave-in because it is light, like I said before, it's moisturizing, not crazy, but just enough, and makes my hair soft and easy to detangle. So I applied that. I didn't want to use anything super thick and creamy like I normally would because I wanted to test out this product, like I said before, and see how truly moisturizing and what it can do for me without the added help of a thick and creamy pop-in leave-in. So then I applied this on top of that leave-in and twisted my hair. I did medium to small size twists, as you guys can see in the footage, and this product does add shine, it does add moisture, and it did soften up my hair. Hands down, no complaints about that. I did go on live last night while I was twisting my hair, and you guys were like, wow, your hair does look super shiny. It is softening up. You can kind of see how it was working into my hair strands as I was doing my hair. Congrats to y'all on live. I had a feeling that I was gonna have mad moisture. Like, I did not doubt that at all. You can look at people's hair on Instagram, you can look at her hair when she styled her hair, Whitney, and you can see how moisturizing the product truly is. My hair is defined, like, let's not pretend like it's not, but it is not as defined as I'm used to for my day one hair. So I wanted to give you guys an idea and compare it to my favorite twisting products and to see if it does compare and does hold up against them. I do feel like my hair is softer and more moisturized than my favorite products do, but it's not as defined as those get me. So I think that I'm leaning more towards a curl defining cream or like a custard type of product that also I can use to twist versus just this one that seems to be max moisture and shine and elongating, but not giving me the mad definition that I'm used to. Now, I hope that you guys don't get crazy with me in the comment section, because y'all know that I'm never a hater, okay? And I want to just give consumers, which myself included, a real opinion that is not clouded by, like, you know, being a fan of someone. I do love and support her. I watch literally all of her videos, but I wanted to give you guys, who I feel like I have a job and a responsibility to give y'all my honest opinion. So if you're my friends in my house, but what I tell you is this right here: mad moisture, soften my hair like crazy, shine is off the charts. It could be a little bit more defined. That's my only complaint. I wish I had a little bit more definition. Now, I want to try this with a thicker leave-in and see if that helps me get a little bit more definition, although I do feel like for this, a gel is the perfect solution. So you guys know I like to use gels. I use them all the time on certain styles like twisting and braiding. I haven't been grabbing for them lately because I've been doing product reviews a lot and I've gotten used to not grabbing for them because most products don't come with a gel on top of the twisting butter, but I do like to layer with a gel if I feel like I need it. So in this scenario where my hair looks and feels great but could be a smidgen more defined, I would grab a gel, put it on top, and I think that I would have the perfect twist out. Like, literally, I think I would have the perfect twist out if I put even like a dime of gel on each twist. I think it would have set the style to the next level and gave me shine, definition, all of that. So now the question is, what would I, or if I would spend my coins on this? So I did purchase it. Now the question is, would I buy it again? And the answer is yes, because it is very, very, very moisturizing. So if I'm gonna do a protective style, I'm gonna grab this and put my hair into those plaits, those twists, the sew-in. I mean, I never do that, but you know, you get my point. If I'm gonna put my hair away, This is extremely moisturizing. I think the combination of water and the shea being the first two ingredients really make this moisturizing and sealing as well, and it made my hair extremely soft. I just put an oil on after I rinsed out the conditioner, which I always do. I did not put an oil on after twisting. My hair feels quite moisturized, and I do feel the oil on my hands from the product, so I don't need to use any oils to unravel or untwist my hair. I hope that I gave you guys enough close-ups, enough information, enough of everything. If you have any more questions, don't forget to comment them down below and I will definitely answer them. I think it's an amazing time that we have all these influencers and bloggers, people that have been giving us amazing content over the years, putting out their own product that rival with the people that they've been promoting for all these years, that rival with your faves, because this can rival with my faves. With the gel on top of this, don't get me wrong, I have butters in my arsenal that I have to use with the gel, and once I put the gel on top of it, it's a wrap. Like, I look like I'm professional, like, you know what I'm talking about. But once I put that gel on top, it really is unmatched twist out. So this does not make it a notch down. I think that you need a gel on top, which is just my opinion. I think that if you have looser hair texture or finer hair, your hair might take to the curls better and your hair might look more defined on those day one situations. You guys have seen my hair in many different states, so let me know down below what you think of this twist out. Let me know down below if you think that I'm bugging and I have mad definition, or if you think that I could have more definition. I'm actually curious to hear your thoughts. Also, let me know what type of combos you want to see me, you know, do with this product. I'm thinking to bring back an old favorite that I never do anymore out of laziness, and that is a product comparison, product battle video. I pull out 3 of my favorite twisting products compared to this one and do 4 sections, all using my faves plus Melanin Haircare, and see how all of them stand up to each other and who reigns supreme in my 4C high porosity hair. Because I'll be asking me all the time, I'm high porosity, I have 4C hair, and I own it. The video is pretty much over. Let me know if you purchased Melanin Haircare. Let me know how you feel about it. Let me know all the tea. Let me know all the tea. My hair, I'm gonna zoom in real quick because I want y'all to see all angles. My hair is super cute and super shiny. It could just be a little bit more defined for day one. That's what we're talking about, just because it's day one. If this was day 2, I would have not a one complaint. But let me know. Am I bugging? I think my hair looks gorgeous. I don't know. I want to be able to tell you my true opinion without feeling like I have to, like, you know, sugarcoat it or make it don't sound too bad, because I don't think it sounds bad. I think it sounds truthful. And I think that that's important. And I would still buy it. I bought 2 of them and I'm gonna use all of it. And when I find the perfect gel combination, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, okay? Let me tell y'all. Wow. I'm so happy for her, and I think she did a great job. I think she did an amazing job. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go now. I feel really cute. I'm gonna go to work now. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. It helps me grow, helps me be seen. If you are new, subscribe, because I give y'all the real tea always. Yeah, that's the end of my spiel. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts, because I actually want to know. I really do. I'm curious about your thoughts. Good night. Good day. It's the daytime. Bye, guys.